On the left side of the page, navigate to Atlas AI Store Builder. Then in the submenu that opens under that, click Bundle Deals. Then click Create Bundle. There's 4 different bundle templates that work for a variety of situations, but for a single product Shopify store, the volume discount template works the best. Go ahead and click Use this template. Next, give your bundle a name. I'll simply call it Messenger Bag Volume Discount Bundle. Scroll through the settings and fine-tune the configuration. I recommend using the AI Setup Wizard. You can click Select Products, then select the product you want to create a bundle for, and click Add. Next, enter your cost of goods sold. This is the cost that you incur by selling the product. Remember, AliExpress had this product listed for around $70 US, so I'll go ahead and put 70 as the cost of goods sold. Next, I'll scroll down and click Generate AI Recommended Offers. After a bit of processing, you can see the preview update with the color scheme that we used for the product earlier, as well as pricing information that's custom to the product. If you want, you can scroll down and click into any of the offers to make modifications, but I'm happy with how these look here. Scrolling back to the top, click Publish Bundle. When you publish your first bundle, you'll get the success message. Go ahead and click Take Me to My Store, and then click Customize. Next, navigate back to your product page, and then scroll down to where it says Add to Cart, and right above that, click the plus icon that appears, go up to Apps, and then click Atlas Bundler. You'll see the bundler that we created earlier appear. Finally, click Save in the top right to confirm your changes. All right, we've got our profit-boosting bundles locked and loaded, and our site is ready to make some sales.